Good morning, guys! Bateman's Bay. Like to thank our cameraman, Jeffrey. First time!
Ikot mo, ikot mo. Ayan o.
Hi guys! Babalik na naman ang inyong Mayora! Say hi, honey. Oy! We are here at Yamana. It's our first stop. It's a long weekend holiday. So, larga na naman ang iyong lola! Ayan, pang may tinga-tinga pa ako. So, kaka-lunch lang kasi namin, guys. Ano bang name nito ni? Penny Whistler. Oh, hintayin. Nandito kasi sila Ate Rachel, si Balay. Balay, nakikibalay. Dito sila kumain kasi fully book kanina. Di kami pwede, masyado daw kami marami. So, change venue kami kanina ng restaurant. So, nag-Thai kami. And it's raining na. It's starting to rain na. Paulan na, guys. So, medyo malakas yung waves niya. Wait ako sa inyo, guys. Pero, bago ang lahat, roll that intro, please.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
You know, babalik na naman. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Sobra. As in, andito kami ngayon sa Penny Whistler. Kasama namin yung mga barkada namin. Ito yung first stop namin going to Batesman. Ito kami nagkita-kita lahat. After nung lunch namin sa may Thai restaurant along the way to Bateman's. So, pakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung anong itsura nitong Penny Whistler.
It all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Fight off 1,000.
Sabi niya sa mountain. Mountain. Can you say it again?
Hijack a flying saucer. Steady on the hand. Fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get.
You know, good morning now. Like, say good morning. Good morning. Papunta kami ng kabilang bahay, yun sa malaking bahay kasi madami kaming family, so nahati siya sa dalawang bahay. Hindi kami kasyang lahat sa isang bahay, so hinati namin sa dalawang bahay. Andun kami ngayon sa kabilang bahay, 3 families, tapos ito yung malaking bahay, 4 families yata sila dyan. So ayun, magbe-breakfast na kami. Hindi ko na videohan yung pagdating namin sa bahay kagabi. Sobrang pagod talaga. Tapos madilim na rin eh. Ngayon ko palang mabivideohan tong magandang bahay na to. Sobrang ganda niya talaga, as in, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito.
Hi guys! Good morning! Nandito na naman si Mayora! And we're at Batesman's Bay!
Chill-chill lang muna kami dito, lakad-lakad lang. Mamaya may itinerary pala kami. Sa Myrtle Beach, mga 10 minutes away drive lang yun.
Yes, it's a 250-meter hiking. Tama ba? What?
100
1 kilometer hiking. So it's kids friendly. We'd like to thank our cameraman, Jeffrey. First time!
Gusto mo, ikot mo. Ayan ah. Grabe, nakakahiya. So yun, di pa kami naliligo eh. Wala pang liguan to, kakain lang tayo. Mamaya babalik kami sa bahay namin.
Then we're gonna have lunch later somewhere.
Somewhere na lang, hanap
Yes,
na lang tayo doon.
Ano, actually, hindi talaga to ano eh. Chill-chill na bakasyon lang to guys. Kakain lang talaga kami dito.
Kain, tulog,
Kain, tulog lang.
at game.
Yes, so this is the most chill vacation
Oh,
we
ganun
have
gusto
so
namin
far.
talaga eh.
Yes.
Ano lang.
Chill
lang.
Yes. Guys, so samahan nyo kami mamaya sa aming hiking. See you guys later!
Lakad lang kami.
Bye-bye! Lakad
See ya!
lang.
So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura nitong backyard ng bahay. Ang ganda sobra. As in, ito.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kid.
Kita niyo yun?
So I
I'm not sure kung nakita niyo yun, pero may kangaroo, grabe. Ang bilis sobra. Ganun no? Sobrang bilis. Try kong sundan. Ang bilis, grabe. Sayang di ko nakuha na ng video. Nakalimutan ko palang sabihin, may mga kangaroo nga pala dito. Sa gabi, dito sa harap ng bahay at dito sa backyard. So ayun, naglalakad-lakad ako. Naghahanap ako ng kangaroo. Grabe yung laki ng kangaroo, sobra.
unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable.
Kakatapos lang namin maligo ni Clark. Hihintayin namin si mami niya. Naliligo natin kasi si mami niya. Andito kami ngayon sa doon sa pangalawang house. Dito sa harap din nung malaking bahay. Halos magkatabi lang yung dalawang bahay niya. Mga barkada namin nandun sa kabila. Malaki yung bahay na yun. Can accommodate 4 families. And then dito sa bahay na to, 3 families lang. Clark, say hi naman dyan. Say hi. Nanonood si Clark eh. Busy sa kakanood ng TV. Ayan. Busy ka ng TV. Naghihintay na lang kami. On the way kami sa Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach. Alright. So, ayun.
Good morning, guys! So, we're here at Batesman's Bay. Batesman's Bay. And here, we are here in our Airbnb. And we're staying in that room. It's so fancy. Look at that, guys!
Unbreakable.